Okay, let's go straight to the point. We discovered that many people are using OPay as a medium to collect payment from their clients or their customers, and these people has been asking what they can do to be receiving alert from their account. Sometimes, especially when somebody deposits money into their account, they will receive alert to, even though they are not with their big phone, maybe to open it and check whether the person has sent the money to the account. So this is what you want to learn now. Then follow here. When you log into your account, the dashboard will just be like this. Then you click on me. If you look here, you see me. Click on me. Then when you click on me, you go up. You see this sign of setting just close to your name. You just click on it. Click on this sign of the setting. When you click on it, then you see these things. You see the option here, second to the last option, says SMS alert subscription. Then you click on it. And you click on it. Remember that this alert is not for free. They will be charging 4 naira per alert. So that's why you need to configure it so that it's not everything maybe that happens to your account that you'll be receiving the alert, unless you want. If you need it, then you subscribe. Then if you want to have a particular transaction that you need to be receiving the alert, like maybe card transaction alert, or credit alert, or transfer and withdrawal alert, then you tick on it. So the instruction says that after successful subscription, we will send you an SMS alert, charge of 4 naira per alert. So that's why you need to configure these things so that you will not be losing 4 naira just like that. So if the alert you want to be receiving is when somebody deposits money to your account, then you tick on credit alert. Or if what the alert you need to be receiving is when somebody use your card transaction, or when you use your card to withdraw, to do any transaction, that's what you want to receive, then you click on it. Then if you want to receive and when somebody transfer, or when you transfer money and the withdrawal alert, then you tick on this one. Then under alerts or transaction other than aforementioned, such as airtime, data, betting, and so on, then you click on this one. Anyone you don't want to receive the alert, just you untick the box. Then you take other ones if you still need them. So for example, maybe the only thing you need to be receiving the alert is when you do transaction with your card. Then you have to untick this one and leave it only card transaction alert, then and subscribe. When you subscribe it, anytime you do transaction with the card, you will get alert. They will send alert and charge you 4 naira for the alert. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button so that you'll be getting information in everything we are going to post in this channel. Thank you and God bless you.